I've been putting up with you for 20 years. You treat me like an animal. "20 years of your emptying my accounts, restaurants, holidays in luxury hotels, cars and gas, not forgetting what you call your petty money. When we met, it was love at first sight. Yeah, no problem. You were giving me everything. Yeah, but that was before. Because it didn't take you more than a few months to show your real face. I got a call from the bank, and you left me. And now you're back, but it's even worse. But I'm telling you, I won't stand it this time. I gotta take care of myself, so I've made my decision and it's final. This beautiful Mauser will square our accounts, baby. This desolate place is the perfect set for our last meeting. You're small and I'm far, so I took a scope and a bipod. The one only positive thing you've ever done for me in 20 years, you've done it yesterday. Buy me the key to freedom. Hasta la visa, baby.